Ito naman kami.
Ayan, nandito.
And we're going to hike again.
Thousand Island. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Chunmon. Chunmon Station. And then exit C. So, kita-kits later. See you later. Sanhoy Market. 43S. Ayan, 43S.
We're waiting for bus 43
Going to Thousand Island. Yan guys. So, see you later again. Station ng bus. Last station ng bus. At ito yung daanan.
saya.
Guys. Sa wakas, nakasama na.
Oh, baliw daw
Oh, sige, sige, baliw. Tamas mo ba, Jilane? So, ayan guys. Naglalakad pa rin kami ngayon kasi medyo malayo-layo pa yung lalakarin namin. Nasa halfway pa lang daw kami. Sige, ante.
Halfway guys.
Okay.
Na sa katotohanan. Malayo pa sa katotohanan yan, friend. Wala pa sa kalahati.
Okay. Galing. We're just taking a lunch. That is our lunch.
Wala, pinis-pinis.
And guys, paakyat na. Daming tao.
Nga Tom, dala makita. Ngayon dyan, Sally. Paguyudin ka siyempre.
So, ayan guys, we're here
Bakit?
na. And
Kahit sabihin ko, hindi mo
Ayan, so, thank you. Ayan, sila yan. Nandito na kami. So, thank
Ha?
you. Bye-bye.